Hi guys, welcome to this computer system. It's the ISO pillar what we're working on, and we keep on rolling from a certain ISO in the past. Topic of the video is Hyprland. It's a knowledge that has been shared with me from Nick, and Nick seems to have the exact same Nvidia GeForce that I have. Now, this is almost unreadable, so let's do an inksy -b. I'm not gonna mess with my machine with my ISO builder, but I can share the knowledge. We have the Nvidia TU106 or just simply RTX 2060. Both of us have the same thing. Now Nvidia DKMS is here, right? So we're running this machine, we're looking at this via the Nvidia card. The thing is, if you want Hyprland, that's the thing, right? If you want Hyprland, and this gives us the confirmation that it's a good choice to really cut free the app, right? What do I mean by that? You've maybe seen already a video that this Hyprland thing has Hyprland def, which is hours, hyprland-git, AORs, all the rest is AOR, and the def is basically hours, which is a take on this one. That's the one, right? These guys are more or less the same, except there's a little bit more information telling this one with clash will that one, this one will not work with the other one, so that Pacman says yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, right? These options. The thing is, the thing I want to share is that with this particular hardware, right, GeForce RTX 2060, it seems you're better off with this guy, right? So that's an important information, a little bit of information. If you think, hey, this is glitching, this is strange, right? Then you just install Hyprland NVIDIA Git. And if you have already an Hyprland, one of those Hyprlands, then the machine will say, do you want to replace it? Yes, no. And then you say yes or no, right? So this is a big no for me, because I'm not going to put Hyprland on my ISO builder, which has to remain stable and working. But we can share the info, right? Hyprland NVIDIA Git works great with this particular hardware. 2060 RTX NVIDIA. Cheers.